how to turn on or turn off video camera ProRes on the iPhone 16 series. Now first on the iPhone, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, you want to go to the video mode, so swipe to video. Next, at the top, make sure you select HD. So at the top here, change your video resolution to HD. And then from here, you can tap on ProRes log. And you can tap on it to switch it on or turn it off. Now when you turn it on, you can see your viewfinder picture qualities will change. You can also swipe up or tap on the up arrow at the top here and then tap on the Pro button at the bottom. This will allow you to select ProRes on or off, like so. And once you're happy with your selection, you can tap on the record button to start your video recording. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, just in case if you are wondering, ProRes Log on iPhone is a video recording format that offers superior color, accuracy, and dynamic range. It's designed for professional videographers and filmmakers who require high quality footage for color grading and post production. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.